HPAC Chapter 3.4 Manage Connections. The Manage Connections page has two sections, Edge Layout and Connections. In the Edge Layout section, you can select actions to be executed when moving the mouse to the edge of the screen. The monitor image displays 6 numbers and lists them on the right-hand side. You can click the corresponding number on the image to select it or select it from the list. The drop-down list shows the default settings for button assignment with a More option at the bottom. Click More to see several page options, Commands, Recent, Keystroke, and Launcher. The operation within the page options is the same as in Chapter 3.2 Button Assignment. In the Connections section, you can choose a paired accessory by clicking the checkbox next to its name. To disconnect an accessory, click Enter Pairing and then Enter Pairing again. This will put your computer into pairing mode and allow new devices to connect with it. You can drag and drop the hand icon to the monitor image in the Edge Layout section above. This action enables automatic switching to the chosen device when scrolling the mouse in that direction. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.